And now it's your boy Girly Gamer bringing you your Florida Man news for July 12th, 2023. Let's get on it. Florida man sets ex-girlfriend's house on fire after breakup. Shot by deputies. Oh man. The Florida man allegedly texted the victim that he would burn the house down. Well, true to form. A man in Florida was arrested after intentionally setting his ex-girlfriend's house on fire because of a breakup on July 5th, according to officials. The Hernando County Sheriff's Office said in a press release that James Hines, he was a suspect, he was in a romantic relationship with one of the female victims and was, quote-unquote, unhappy about their recent breakup. Hines sent a series of threats to the female victim, stating that he would burn the house down with both of them inside, because he's a big tough guy. Florida tough guy picking on women, his exes. Well, let's see what the news has to say about it. Get it? With sound, preferably. Thanks.
From distance, I'm not here right now. It's just DPS. Is it 20 for that?
We're gonna be mile marker 34. He's driving on the shoulder on the southbound lane going northbound. We're going over 80 miles an hour.
He's in an 18-wheeler. I mean, without the back of it. Is that Doug?
Receive all units, not heading eastbound.
Nah, he's not a Florida man.
Just got to the left lane, trying to pass about 3 18-wheelers. I don't know if you're going to be able to successfully deploy spikes.
See, he's pulling. Oh, no. Oh, he drifted there. The Tokyo drifting going on.
Alright, we're turning into some ranch road.
Nice.
He's bailing out,
¿Dónde vas, eh? ¡Párate! So units 280 bailing out at
Dude, how many people are jumping out of that thing?
Mile marker 56 going to be on the west service road.
What the fuck? It's like a clown car. So there you have it. They caught him. They shot him. He didn't make good decisions in life. Let's just put. I'll just say it bluntly, right? All right. Listen, it's a Wednesday. Have a great day. Girly Gamer is out.